Chip Cooper, Internet Attorney. Now, I'm often asked a lot of questions about privacy policies, but it's very rare that I'm asked what I think is really the most important question of all, and that is whether your website is operated as a general audience website or as a website directed to children under the age of 13, which I refer to as U13s. Now, it doesn't matter as to what your intention might be. What really matters is what the Federal Trade Commission, the FTC, says when it considers a series of factors that we'll look at in just a minute. The reason why it's so critical that you stay on the side of a general audience site and not somehow inadvertently step over the line into operation as a U13 site is that the regulations are so numerous and so complex that they're very difficult to comply with, particularly in view of new regulations that were added effective July 1, 2013. And the consequences of failure to comply are enormous. The fines are very, very large and could put you out of business really in a single day. So let's go to the slides and look at these factors. Okay, so this is a list of factors that the Federal Trade Commission would consider in its determination of whether you operate a general audience website or a website directed to U13s. And by the way, we're talking about the Federal Trade Commission acting as the enforcement arm for the federal statute Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, known as COPPA, which was substantially amended effective July 1, 2013. So if we look at this list, no single item or factor is determinative, but it's the overall mix of these items and elements as determined by the Federal Trade Commission, beginning with, of course, the subject matter of your website, including games that might appeal to U13s, also the age of models which could appeal to U13s, including verbiage, and also musical content and child celebrities, of course, that would be attractive to U13s, including celebrities who may not be U13s or teenagers, but celebrities who routinely, in terms of their routine programming, might appeal to children. And then finally, ads, even if these are not ads that you provide on your website yourself, but third-party ads which contain any of these elements that might also appeal to U13s. So I think you can understand now why these factors that determine whether you're operating as a general audience website or as a website attractive to U13s is so critically important, and probably the most important question that you can ask and determine yourself in terms of your privacy policy. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. This video is provided for informational purposes only. It doesn't constitute legal advice. You're invited to subscribe to my YouTube channel for additional tips.